Alright. So I'm going to climb into my ship. My throttle on my HOTAS is currently set to 0. And we're going to just watch what happens. Every time that I've tried to take off in a ship, I've gone into reverse thrust immediately. So here we go.
Anvil Aerospace. All systems online.
Well, that's nice. It's not doing it this time. Something's fixed. Alright, I'm taking off.
Takeoff complete.
Oh, now see? There we go.
Landing request.
I took off and it went immediately into reverse thrust, and I just smashed my tail.
Scanning. Bogey scanning.
Oh, and someone's in my turret with me. That's nice of them. Okay. Alright, well, they're about to get very disappointed. Because I'm going to be logging out real quick. Alright. Now to quickly make my point. Okay. We're in precision flight mode. Throttle is set to 0 again. Pressing the left control key. I'm going backwards. Pressing the left shift key. Going backwards again. You can imagine that this is frustrating. Pressing the right control key. Going backwards again. My ship just likes to back that ass up. Alright. Pressing the right shift key. Okay. And lastly, I'm going to show you something else. I'm pressing F12 to get into the chat window. Pressing enter after entering in some text makes my ship go into reverse again. Watch this. And I'm going backwards again. I don't know why this is happening. I have no idea. Now check this out. I'm going to switch to SCM flight mode. I'm turning off this chat window now. Now check it out. Enter doesn't make the mistake now. I'm pressing enter and nothing's happening. Now I'm going to switch to space combat maneuvering. Now, left control. Okay, now left shift. This is a problem. Okay, now try right control. And again. And right shift. Now, I think the chat window situation is fixed in SCM, but I'll double check it. Okay. No, and in SCM, same problem. So when I have my HOTAS throttle set to 0, I don't have it set up to where pulling it all the way back makes me go in reverse. At least I don't want that. I have my throttle set to 0 and crash. So, okay. I hope that was helpful.